guys, this is the Steamify handheld high pressure steam cleaner. And man, this thing gets the job done. I've always been leery of steam cleaners because I'm like, how can you actually clean without chemicals? But it really does. It cleans up to 99% sterilization without any chemicals at all, just from that hot steam. So once you plug it in, you've got your water inside already, and I filled it up by using the funnel, pouring it in, and they tell you exactly how much to pour in, and they even include little markers on the cup for you. And so I'm just about out of water in here, but hopefully we've got enough steam to demonstrate for you. So you fill it up, you plug it in, it takes 3 to 5 minutes to get to the full pressure, and you'll know because the light will go off. So now I know it's ready. And so it has a safety feature, so if your kids come around and try to just pull it, they can't. You have to push it forward and then pull down. So I like that additional feature. And when you do that, check it out. This is a powerful steamer. So this is one of the attachments. They include a ton of different ones, all that can withstand this steam of 230 degrees. It comes out at high pressure for great cleaning. I really like cleaning windows with this. It includes the squeegee that you attach onto here. It includes an extra long nozzle if you're getting something further, like deep in your oven or something. You've got a little brush head, a little angled nozzle, great for like under the rim of your toilet. And this is just kind of your standard one that you're probably going to use the majority of the time. And I do like that you can either steam clothes or with this on here, or you can put this on and clean fabrics. So lots of great options. Then when you're done, just toss this in the wash. And when you unplug it, it has to cool down for about 5 minutes and release that pressure before it'll even let you unscrew the cap, because they don't want anyone getting steam burns. If all these different attachments overwhelm you, their little manual gives you suggestions on how to use each nozzle. So if you're looking for an easy way to clean different parts of your house that doesn't require any chemicals and instead just uses the power of hot water, this steam cleaner is a fantastic option.